Hey Fit Queens, and welcome back to another workout with DejaFit, the best place for at-home workouts. Today's workout, we're doing a no repeat dumbbell workout. All right, so we're gonna be hitting you with about 15 different moves, no repeat. We're just gonna do one move after the other, so we ain't getting bored in this workout because we're gonna be hitting you with a new move every 30 seconds, okay? For this workout, you will need some dumbbells. So for beginners, I suggest 5 to 10 pounds. I will be using probably my 15 and 20 pound dumbbells today. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you like this workout. Also, don't forget to tag us on Instagram and let us know what the Fit Queen team be doing, okay? So ladies, if you're ready for a really great, fun, and effective, and short and sweet workout that's really gonna be effective, make sure you stay tuned and do this entire workout. Let's go.
Epiphany rising, got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. You were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my Savior.
So I know you're catching your breath, probably out of breath, the sweat is dripping, girl, you are doing it, all right? But I wanted to come on here and tell you guys about our free accountability group on Facebook. So our group is called Fit Queen Team, and in that group, you're gonna get all sorts of support and guidance from about 5,000 Fit Queens right now, all right? So the group is totally free. So if you want a little bit more connection to me and the Fit Queen team, make sure you click that link down below and join us in our free Facebook group. Also, head to herneutralife.com and get you some of these. This recovery tastes amazing, y'all. Also, the greens too. Just get everything. Just go there and get everything, okay? Get back to the workout.
Interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time, all of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release it, wanna release it. We will fight for the right to stay alive. We will fight for the right to stay We will fight for the right to stay alive. We are